Hello everyone, I am Srijit. In this class, we will study about an important topic from the diesel fuel system, the bleeding of air from the fuel line and the servicing of primary filter and the secondary filter. This is a vital maintenance procedure to ensure the continuous and smooth fuel supply to the fuel injection pump. In this lesson, we will understand how air enters into the system, the purpose of fuel filters and the principle behind the bleeding process. Let's see the objectives of this lesson. After watching this video, you will be able to understand the causes of air entry into the fuel line system. Identify the air lock symptoms, the importance and types of fuel filters. Learn bleeding operation correctly and safely. Follow the maintenance precautions. Let's look into the basic theory of the topic. Diesel engine uses a closed fuel system to supply clean fuel to the fuel injection pump. It includes a fuel tank, fuel filter, feed pump and fuel injection pump. If air enters into the fuel line, it blocks the fuel flow and causes engine to stop or fail to start. This condition is called an air lock. Air lock occurs when the fuel tank runs dry during the filter replacement or due to the loose joints in the fuel lines. Therefore, air bleeding is very essential to restore proper fuel circulation. Let's check the function of fuel filters. Fuel filters removes the dirt, rust and the water particles from the diesel before it reaches to the fuel injection pump. Clean fuel ensures smooth engine operation and a longer injector life. There are two filters. The primary filter, also called the sedimenter, the secondary filter or fine filter. The primary filter removes the large particles and water, while the secondary filter traps finer impurities. Together, they maintain the purity and steady pressure of diesel entering into the fuel injection pump. Let's check the types of fuel filters. Diesel filters are generally of two types, the replaceable cartridge type and the cleanable bowl type. In the cartridge type, the paper element is replaced periodically. In the bowl type, the glass bowl is cleaned and reused. The design ensures that only clean diesel passes through the next stage of the system. In modern vehicles, mostly use a spin-on type filters for ease of maintenance. The next we will look into the causes of air entry. Air can enter the diesel system through several ways. When the fuel level is too low, when the filter or fuel pipe is replaced, or due to loose joints on damaged washers. Even small air bubbles disturb the fuel flow and cause irregular engine operations. Therefore, all fittings in the system must be properly tightened and checked regularly. Then look into the symptoms of air lock. When air is trapped in the fuel line, fuel supply to the injection pump becomes irregular. The engine may crank but fail to start, or it may start and then stop suddenly. In some cases, engine power decreases and exhaust smoke appears. These are typical signs that fuel system needs bleeding. Now we will check the bleeding theory of the topic. The purpose of bleeding is to remove trapped air from the fuel system so that the diesel flows smoothly to the injection pump. The fuel feed pump or hand primer creates pressure and pushes the air out through the bleed screws provided at various points in the system. When clear fuel without bubbles flows out, it means the system is free of air. The principle ensures steady pressure and accurate fuel delivery to the injectors. Let's see the role of service manual. The exact bleeding points and procedure may vary slightly between engines. The service manual provides the correct order, torque value of fittings, the types of filter used. Always refer it before performing any maintenance. Following manufacturer instructions ensures safety and prevent damages of components. The next point is the importance of regular maintenance. Regular servicing of filters and fuel lines prevents air locks and fuel contamination. Replace filters as recommended in the service schedule. Clean the area around the filters before loosening any connections to avoid dust entering into the system. Proper maintenance ensures good engine performance, fuel efficiency, and long life. Now let's look into the safety precautions. Diesel fuel is harmful and flammable when it handled carelessly. Always work in a ventilated area away from flames. Wear gloves and avoid contact with skin. Dispose of used filters and diesel safely. Wipe out any spills immediately. Keeping safety in mind ensures both personal protection and clean workspace. Now look into the technical insight. In modern common rail diesel systems, air bleeding is mostly automatic. An electrical fuel pump pressurizes the system and expels the air without manual pumping. However, understanding the manual bleeding is still essential, especially when working with the older engines and mechanical systems. The knowledge of both methods helps in proper diagnosis and service. Let's summarize today's topic. We learned how air enters into the diesel fuel system and how it affects engine's performance. We understood the function and types of filters and the theory behind the bleeding process. Proper servicing and maintenance of fuel filters prevent airlocks and improve engine lives. Remember one thing, preventive care is always better than repair. Thanks for watching.